Hi, my name is Jack. 3 months ago, I could not speak English. I only knew words like hello, yes, no, thank you. But I could not make a full sentence. I did not understand people. I was shy and afraid. Now I can speak simple English. It is not perfect, but it is real. This is my story. I live in a small town. People in my town do not speak English. At home, we do not speak English. In the street, we do not speak English. But I wanted to learn English. I watched movies. I listened to songs. I loved the sound of English. But I thought, it is too hard for me. One day, I saw a video on YouTube. The title was, Learn English in 3 months. At first, I did not believe it. But the man said, just start. Do not wait. So I stopped the video. I took a notebook. I wrote, Day 1, I will learn English. I made a plan. It was simple. Every day, I did 3 things. Listen to English for 20 minutes. Read something small in English. Speak English to myself. I listened to easy stories, short stories for kids. At first, I did not understand. But I listened again and again. I heard the same words many times. Slowly, I understood more. Then I read stories for kids. One story was about a cat and a dog. The story was simple. I saw how words made sentences. It helped me a lot. Next, I spoke English, but I had no one to talk to. So I talked to myself. I stood in front of the mirror. I said, Hello, my name is Jack. I like coffee. It felt strange, but it worked. After 1 week, I could say, Hi, I'm Jack. I live in a small town. I want to learn English. It was not perfect, but it was my first time. I smiled. I wanted more. Every day, I learned 10 new words. I did not try to remember all. I put the words in small sentences. Today is sunny. I eat rice. My father is a teacher. In the second week, I watched videos with English subtitles. I listened and read at the same time. My brain connected the words. I understood more. I spoke a little faster. After 1 month, I wrote my first short message. Hello, I am learning English. It is fun. I sent it to a friend online. He replied, Good job, Jack. I felt so happy. Some days I felt tired. Some days I did not want to study. I felt slow. I felt stupid. But I remembered, small steps every day make a big change. So I did not stop. In the second month, I did shadowing. Shadowing means listen and repeat. I listened to a video. I repeated after the speaker. I copied the tone and speed. It helped my speaking. I joined an English group online. We talked once a week for 30 minutes. At first, I was nervous, but the people were kind. They helped me. They corrected my mistakes. I felt better. At the end of the second month, I could have small talks. Nothing hard. I could ask and answer. I could talk about food, hobbies, weather, family. In the third month, something changed. Sometimes I started to think in English. Not always, but sometimes. My brain did not translate. It just spoke. I recorded myself for 2 minutes. I watched the video. Yes, I made mistakes, but I smiled. 3 months ago, I was quiet. Now, I was talking. How did I do it? I did not study hard grammar. I did not learn long word lists. I did not use big books. I did 3 things. Listen. Read. Speak every single day. Now, I still learn. Every day, I watch one video. I write one sentence. I speak one small idea. You can do it too. You do not need perfect English. You do not need to wait. Start now. Start simple. Talk to yourself. Write to a friend. Listen to English. Repeat what you hear. Do this for 90 days. You will be proud. You will speak English. Thank you for listening to my story. If you want more, subscribe to Know and Speak English. Let's learn together, word by word, step by step.